Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I make Ofe Onugbu bitter leaf soup without ede cocoayam as a thickener, without white flour. So if you're living outside Nigeria and you can't get ede or all-purpose flour, keep watching and see what I use to thicken this ede soup. Is super delicious, everyone. So keep watching. We'll make it from the scratch. So here I have bitter leaf plants from the little garden. So I'm going to be plucking this from here. I'm going to be cutting out some of the bitter leaf plants. So in this video I'm making ofe ede from the scratch. So first I'm going to show you what you do to your bitter leaf to get that long, to make it have a long strands. You notice that bitter leaf for bitter leaf soup is always long. The strands are long. It's not like the one you use to add to egusi soup. So this is the quantity I'll be using because the soup is not going to be much. Next, I have to pluck the leaf out from the stem. Keep watching, don't go away. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning. So after I pluck out the leaf, I will allow it to sit under the sun for 5 minutes to shrink it before washing. So while that is aside, here we have other ingredients. So I have my freshly washed catfish. It's optional. You could use any beef, chicken, cow leg, cow skin, cow stripe, but I want a very simple onugbu soup. Then I have fresh scotch bonnet pepper, garlic and ginger in there. If you've not used fresh pepper for your onugbu soup before, try it. And here I have Ogiri. I will open this, keep watching to show you what exactly is inside this wrap. Okay, so I have other ingredients, kpomo, I have onions, I have palm oil, seasoning and salt. All the names of ingredients will be at the description box down below. So keep watching, don't go away. We are cooking Ofe Onugbu from scratch, everyone. Keep watching as I show you how you wash your bitter leaf to get that long strands of bitter leaf for your bitter leaf soup. If you don't like catfish, you can stock your soup with any beef of your choice. But me, I love catfish. So like I said, I want to open the ogiri to show you what it looks like inside, so that if you buy, you make sure what you have in the wrap is exactly what you see here. So don't get shocked. This wrap is full of leaves and you have to be careful so that you don't even throw it away while opening the leaves. So this is it. It's so small, but it's super tasty. It gives a nice flavor to onugbu soup. So I will set it aside. So on a clean pot, I transfer my freshly washed catfish and follow with cow skin. That is kpomo, everyone. Then I'll add my freshly chopped onions. Then I will add my fresh pepper. For me, fresh pepper is the best for onugbu soup. Then I add seasoning and salt and cover to simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will take a desirable spoon and gently flip it to the other side to allow it to moisture. While this is done, it helps your fish or beef to be tasty, so that because the seasoning will get into it. So I will allow it to simmer again for 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes I will add the quantity of water I want to use for my onugbu soup and continue cooking. Don't go away, everyone. See how I prepare the yummy bitter leaf soup without ede or any of the thickener you would think of. I'm not using ofor, achi, all-purpose flour. So keep watching and see what I use to thicken this very delicious soup, especially you friends and families abroad. All right, I'll cover this for 20 minutes on a medium heat, and after 20 minutes I'll go ahead and add palm oil or red oil. Add according to the quantity of soup you are making, everyone. Allow it to cook for 10 minutes on a medium heat, and after that I will take a desirable spoon and stir it. I forgot to show you when I added crayfish, so don't forget to add that. So at this point I'm adding my ogiri, and I'm going to allow it to cook for 5 minutes. This gives a nice flavor and makes your soup very tasty, especially the onugbu soup. So allow to cook for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I will add more scotch bonnet pepper. This is optional, but I like it. Okay, so while that is aside, this is what I'm going to be using as thickener. I'm using corn flour because I realized that all-purpose flour is not so healthy for some. So in a good bowl I add 2 tablespoonfuls of all-purpose flour, and then add 1 tablespoonful of water and gently mix it until all lumps disappear and everything blends together. So keep watching, don't go away. If you've watched my video up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my video to your friends and families, and yummy videos and yummy recipes are updated every week on this channel. So after mixing it, make sure all lumps disappear and I set it aside. Here is our onugbu. So after that sunning it, I washed it off camera, and you notice that the leaves are equally long. It's not like the bitter leaf you use for egusi soup. So to get your bitter leaf to have that long strands, you need to put it under the sun to dry up for at least 5 to 6 hours depending on the area you live. Here it's super hot, so it dries so fast. Or you can also boil it. That is another option you could use. So at this point I just added the corn flour, and I love the consistency. So if you like it thick, you add more, but if you do not like it thick, well, this consistency you see here is super okay for me. So at this point I'm adding my bitter leaf. So this soup was made with ease and is one of the delicious traditional soup in Igbo land, especially those from the Anambra. Yeah, so the swallow it's I say swallow, everyone. This soup can be eaten with any swallow of your choice, but it goes very well with pounded yam, fufu, wheat flour. The choice is yours, everyone. So this soup is ready to be served. It's simple but delicious. The aroma has taken all over the kitchen. So thanks all my genuine subscribers for your wonderful support, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you've not done so. Like I said earlier, more recipes are updated every week on this channel. Don't forget to watch the ads too. Support the channel by watching the ads so you can see what the soup looks like. Super yummy and delicious, everyone. I say let me share it with you. So don't forget to leave your comment at the comment section down below. Let me see what you think about this yummy and simple onugbu soup we made. All right, stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, everyone, and bye for now.